If your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on Windows 11, don't reinstall Windows. Instead, start with these fixes. The first one solves it for most people. All right, so we're gonna start simple. On Windows 11, we have a quick menu down here in the bottom right. And what we're gonna do, for you, Wi-Fi is likely already enabled. We have this little toggle button right here. We're simply just going to disable this, wait 5 full seconds, and let's go ahead and re-enable. So if that fixed it temporarily, but the issue comes back, that usually means a driver, power setting, or background service is causing the disconnect. So if it disconnects again, let's move to the next step. This is where most people fix it permanently. Okay, the next place we're gonna go is to our device manager. We can right click our start menu and let's click device manager. Okay, so once we're here, we're going to expand network adapters. All right, we're gonna double click into our Wi-Fi adapter. That's the Intel R Wi-Fi 6E for me. This is the Wi-Fi adapter for my computer. So I'll double click into that. I'm gonna go to power management. And I'm gonna uncheck allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, and I'll press OK. So this setting allows Windows to shut off your Wi-Fi adapter to save power, especially on laptops. And that's fine in theory, but in reality, it can cause random disconnects. Okay, so if that doesn't fix it, we're gonna take a step further with the Wi-Fi adapter. So we're still in the device manager and we're gonna try to actually reinstall the driver. So that's our next step. Now we can do this by right clicking and we're gonna click uninstall device. We're also gonna check the box attempt to remove the driver for this device and let's click uninstall. At this point, we need to restart our computer. Windows will automatically reinstall a fresh version of the driver. This clears out corrupted or buggy drivers, one of the most common causes of disconnect loops. All right, so if you're still having issues, let's try another troubleshooting step. So we're gonna go to Windows settings. You can access that by hitting the Windows key together with I on your keyboard. And here we're gonna go to network and internet, and we're gonna go to advanced. Now at the very bottom, we're gonna see under more settings an option called network reset. So let's click that and I can click reset. Now I'm not actually gonna do it because I am not experiencing issues, but this would be the next step that we recommend trying. Now an important note for this is that you will need to reconnect to Wi-Fi afterwards. Your saved networks and passwords will all be removed if you do this step. The reason this works is because it removes all network adapters and reinstalls them. It also resets DNS, IP configuration, and clears network conflicts. Okay, so once we're back in our settings, we're gonna go to Wi-Fi. From the Wi-Fi page, we're gonna click Manage Known Networks. We'll click our connected network name, and then we're looking for a setting called Random Hardware Addresses. If you don't see this setting, that's completely normal. Not all Wi-Fi adapters or networks support it. If it is there, let's turn that off. Mine is already set to off, and if it's not, we can move on to the next step. All right, so at this point, if you're still having issues, we need to rule out your network itself. If your signal is weak or your router is overloaded, Windows is not the problem. Here's how you can resolve that. One, you can move closer to the router. You can test another device on the same Wi-Fi. If multiple devices disconnect, the issue is your router or your internet service provider and not Windows. If only your PC disconnects, stay focused on troubleshooting here. It's almost always a driver or a setting. There's one other setting we're gonna check. So back in network and internet and back under Wi-Fi, we're just gonna click our Wi-Fi name here. Okay, and then here, so it's network and internet Wi-Fi, and then again, our Wi-Fi name. We're gonna see a setting for metered connection. As you can see, mine is already set to off. If this is on, this setting limits background data usage, but it can interfere with network stability in some cases. All right, so at this point, your connection should be stable. No more random disconnects. But if the issue still happens after all of this, it may be a hardware issue with the Wi-Fi card itself, especially on older laptops. In real-world environments, most Wi-Fi disconnect issues come down to 3 things. Number 1, driver problems. Number 2, power management settings. And number 3, network configuration conflicts. So that's why this order matters. You're fixing the highest probability causes first. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. If one of these problems fixed your issue, let us know which one worked. It helps other people. And if you're looking for genuine Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo software. We'll have all the links in the description box below. As our channel continues to grow, we're constantly looking for new video topic ideas, and we'd love to know what ideas you have. Lastly, a like and subscribe goes a long way in supporting the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.